Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Finally we have some sunshine. Finally the rain has gone a little. What we're doing today, we're taking a drive along the different malls, the different plazas on Constant Spring Road. You know, after I did the video on the Fairview shopping complex in Montego Bay, someone says right here is also similar because there's a lot of plazas together. You can drive from one plaza to the other, and there's a lot of different stores as well. So we're taking a drive along these plazas on Constant Spring Road. So what I'll do as well, if you haven't seen the Fairview shopping center video that we did in Montego Bay, I'll put that in the description as well so that you guys are able to see. So we'll start the video right here, Lane Plaza. So you can enter from South Avenue as well. A lot of different shops here, a lot of clothes store as well, restaurants, stationery, dentists, Brit Brand Fashion, Red Express Chinese restaurant. Alright, so this is the Lane Plaza. And then in front of me is 7th Avenue Plaza. Not a very big plaza, but that's in front of me. Alright. Alright, and on Lane Plaza as well, we have Rapid True Value. Now we'll take the left here, and then some other shops along this side as well. So you have like Quantum Concepts, Pizza Please, and some others. And then from Lane Plaza you have the Village. So this is the Village Plaza. Manuel Boutique, Rituals Coffee, Golden Closet, a lot of clothes store on these plazas. Amar's, Insight Optical, Collectibles, Singer, and Wendy's. So this is the Village Plaza. And then across the road is Island Grill and Court. Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna try and take a quick look over 7th Avenue Plaza before we take the left. So again, this is Village Plaza compound. Seems as if Christmas decoration has started. So usually these plazas are well decorated. So again, Lane Plaza, that's what we're entering right now. And again, you guys can always pause on the billboard to see the different shops. And then from Lane we enter 7th Avenue Plaza. So a lot of restaurant over here, Express Fitness. Superior Optical, Body Trends. And again, a lot of boutique store over here as well. So this is 7th Avenue Plaza. Alright, so we're gonna exit this plaza and go back onto Lane Plaza. There's also a Lane Plaza in Ligani as well. Burger King across the road. Courts across the road. Alright, so again guys, it's a driving tour of the different plazas along this side on Constant Spring Road. Lots of shops, lots of different stores, and about 4 to 5 plazas on this side only. We also have some on the other side of the road as well. For example, Twin Gates Plaza, that's on the other side of the road. Alright, so I know we already came this side, so and again guys, remember to leave your comments. Let me know what you think about these different plazas. Let me know if you think this area can be compared to Fairview Shopping Center in Montego Bay. Fairview in Montego Bay is well designed, well thought out. Everything is in one place. It's like a town center. Some persons believe this section on Constant Spring Road can be compared, but let me know what you think guys. Remember to leave your comments, remember to share, remember to like, and if you're new to the channel, if you haven't subscribed as yet, remember to subscribe as well. Alright, so we're now on to another section. So this is the mall plaza. So we're coming from the village. So we have like Woolworth. Alright, so that was Woolworth. We have Baby Bop. We have again Amar's, Bath Plus, Collectibles, Electro World, Express Fitness again, clothes store on top of clothes store, baby clothes store, American Jewelers. Before COVID, Express Fitness was one of those 24-hour gyms. Radio Shack, Body Studio, Skincare. There's a lot of clothes store on these plazas, that's one thing for sure. And as I said, Christmas decoration. The Christmas decoration is going up. Let me know if decoration is going up in your side, in your city, in your town. Alright, so this was the Mall Plaza. Now let's go on to the other. Across the road is the PICA office, Passport Immigration Citizenship Agency, PICA, government agency. This was, at one point, this was the only office in Jamaica, but they have expanded with other offices like in Clarendon, I think Montego Bay, so that everybody don't have to come to the one place in Kingston. So that's where you get your passport. So next we move on to Tropical Plaza. One thing with Tropical Plaza, I always have a lot of parking. Parking is always available. So it's a lot of space left for parking. So you have Answers, Gifts and Home, Royal PC, HP, Store Jamaica, Samsung, Devon House Ice Cream, Royal Jewelers, Tropical Jewelers. So Tropical Plaza, Constant Spring Road, half a tree. So again, we're just touring this business hub. You can drive from plaza to plaza. This is one of the commercial hubs in half a tree. Similar to Fairview Shopping Center in Montego Bay. And again, guys, leave your comments. So again, Color Shop. That's a paint store. You have Flow, Lee's Fifth Avenue, Proactive Lifestyle, Digital Payless, Western Sport. And as usual, guys, if you have ever been to any of these plazas, if this is your regular spot, if this is where you shop, just let us know in the comments section. So let me go down this side, and then we have one final plaza beside it. In front of this plaza is KFC and the Springs. So both sides of the road has plaza, but for this side, you know, they're more adjoining. So you have Answers for Children again, Monarch Pharmacy, Sagicor Bank. Alright, so to the left you usually can drive on the other plaza, but they have chained that section off. So I'm gonna have to drive around the back to go over to the final plaza we're looking at today. So remember to watch till the end, guys. Watch the entire video. And again, the Springs is across the road, so we could have taken this left, but it's chained off. Alright, and for the Springs, I did a video on it as well, so you can always check on the channel for that one. Alright, so the final plaza, guys, is Premier Plaza. That's what we're gonna look at. Alright, guys, so we're heading on over to Premier Plaza now. And again, guys, leave your comment. Remember to compare this area with Fairview, this side of Constant Spring Road, with Fairview Shopping Center in Montego Bay. Alright, so this is where Tropical Mall ends and then Premier Plaza starts. So right here connects you to Premier Plaza. So we have Sammy's Shoe Store, We Buy Gold, Paint, Medical Center, you know, a lot of different shops. That building, yellow and red building, is quite new. Some more shops around this side. Poppin' Jamaica, Airwave, Express Entrepreneur. Alright, so a lot of shops over this side, restaurants, clothes store, bikini wear, optical solutions, panache, anything solar. So a lot of different stores and a lot of different shops. Premier Optical, Save Mart, Furniture Store. So you name it, they have it. This one is not as, what would I say, modern or as new as the others. Let's go into this little business center here. So this is one of the older types plaza. You can see it as well, based on how the shops look when I go back outside. So this is like a little business center inside the plaza. You know, more optical, law office, medical. So this is on the outside. So you can see there's a difference between this and like the mall plaza we just finished and like Tropical Mall. So a lot of furniture store, a lot of clothes store. And again guys, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about these plaza. Let me know what you think about this commercial district. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And then this building over here is Giscom Sports and Warehouse. I know a lot of you guys probably have come here before for sports wear or you know, something of that sort. Giscom Sports. Alright guys, so we'll end the video somewhere here. Remember to leave your comments. Remember to share the video as well. And like and subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Alright guys, so we're back on Constant Spring Road and Central Plaza on the right. So remember to like, subscribe, and share. See you on another driving video.